Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle tail bags on Amazon. A motorcycle tail bag is a great solution whether you ride a BMW, Honda, Harley-Davidson, Kawasaki, or other type of bike. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Nelson Rig Black Commuter Tour Motorcycle Tail Seat Bag. This black commuter tail seat bag is made of Ultramax fabric, which provides UV protection. It features quick-release buckles for easy access and a molded EVA lid with fibered carbon fiber-like accents. Inside the bag are self-fastening straps to secure objects. The coil zippers are lockable and have high-density rubber zipper pullers. The bag is large enough to carry groceries, overnight clothing and essentials, and bagged lunches. Zip the expansion open, and it accommodates even more items. The Rainfly is compact, sturdy, and secure in both small and extended modes, and it's rubber-coated so it doesn't leak. Overall, it's a well-made bag with a great inside top mesh pocket and convenient interior load compression straps. However, the sides of the bag crunch down when you tighten the straps and affix it to your bike, which decreases some of its storage space and isn't very attractive looking. Number 2. JFG Racing Motorcycle Seat Tail Bag Backpack. This motorcycle seat tail bag backpack from JFG Racing doubles as a backpack when it's not on your bike, which makes it a versatile option. You can use it to store your helmet, phone, wallet, and other items. It includes an expandable bottom so you can increase its size. It measures 16.9 inches long x 11.8 inches wide to 6.7 inches high and expands to 11.8 inches high when required. The bag fits most types of bikes, including street bikes, dirt bikes, dual sport bikes, and enduro bikes. It has a modern design and is available in all black or black with white accents. This water-resistant bag is made of pool leather, and it comes with a rain cover. To install, simply tie the bag to your seat cushion and secure it with the buckle straps. Users report that it stays secure at highway speeds, and overall the quality is good for the price. Number 3. Kemomoto Motorcycle Tail Bag. The Kemomoto motorcycle tail bag is large enough to carry a laptop and expands from a 30-liter to 34-liter capacity. It has a large compartment, one outside pocket, and a mesh pocket. It holds its shape when it's empty and can also accommodate a helmet, shoes, clothes, and other items. It's designed with a universal fit and can also be used as a handbag or backpack. This bag is made of durable weather and tear-resistant leather fiber, and it comes with a waterproof rain cover. It's easy to install, particularly if you have a rack or an exposed frame under the seat. It buckles solidly in place with strong nylon straps that attach in 4 different spots. Users like the look and quality of this bag, which works great for grocery runs. Overall, it holds up well to daily use and is very functional. There are not many downsides to this bag. However, it does not have any security features, so it can be stolen if you don't lock it on your bike. Number 4. Ottensberg Waterproof Motorcycle Tail Bag. The Ottensberg tail bag boasts exceptional waterproof capabilities, ensuring that your belongings remain dry and secure, even during the most challenging rides. Constructed with high-quality, water-resistant materials and equipped with a secure roll-top closure system, this bag is specifically designed to repel water and keep your gear protected from rain, splashes, and other external moisture. Built to withstand the rigors of motorcycle travel, the Ottensberg tail bag is crafted with durability in mind. Its rugged construction and reinforced stitching ensures that it can handle the demands of off-road adventures and long-distance journeys. Engineered to be resistant to abrasion, impacts, and general wear and tear, this bag is built to last and endure various weather conditions. Additionally, strategically placed pockets and compartments enable efficient organization, ensuring that you can find your essentials easily when you need them. Number 5. Chase Harper Tail Trunk. This bag is 14 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 9 inches high. It's made of industrial-grade ballistic urethane-coated nylon and is a universal fit. Non-abrasive vinyl on the bottom prevents scratching, And the bag uses an adjustable bungee mount system to attach to your bike. The bag is water resistant, tear resistant, and highly durable. Strong and lightweight inserts create rigidity and maintain the bag's aerodynamic shape. It has a carrying handle, reflective strips on the sides for safety, and 2 mesh pockets. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.